Hello, and today we're going to be working in Cyber Workbench. Now, for this, I've already made this workspace called Average8YT. To do that, we'll make our settings. We'll do BDL, have our clock frequency at 50 megahertz. It should be about 20 nanoseconds. For FPGA, make the family name Cyclone 5. Oops, wrong one. Select our device. And these are library directories. Hit apply. Now for this, I'll make a new file. We'll just call it average8yt.c, and we'll put in our C code. This is a function that does an average of 8, so we have some values that are stored in this array, and then it will take the average, and the average will be returned to the output. Now, if I go here and we'll quickly do analyze, it will tell us whether there are any issues or any errors, and we have our blue folder, which means there are no errors. So now if we synthesize this, actually before we do that, let's generate our constraint files. So this is like the automatic generation, and we're going to see those files in a second. So if I go here in these constraint files, what we see here is that we have a limit on 8-bit unsigned adders of 4, and we can only have a maximum of 3 12-bit unsigned adders. And there is a reason why to do this, and we'll be able to visualize that in our data paths. So first, let's synthesize and see our synthesis report. This report shows us all of our macros. So we have our number of ALUs, registers, or latency, critical path, the number of functional units, that's our 12 and 8-bit adders, number of registers, muxes, latency, state machines, the total delay, and if I go here, we'll be able to see our data path. Let's go here, and this is what the high-level synthesis tool created for us. We have our input. These are just some buffers. And here we have our functional units, or in other words, our adders. So we have our 4 8-bit adders here, 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 and here, and these are our 3 12-bit adders. The reason why we have different bits is because as we start doing all of these additions and with the carries, the maximum number of bits, like the bit width, can increase. So we have these 12 adders here to compensate for that, or to make sure that we don't have an overflow or anything. And then we have our buffers down here and our output value.